So this is how I learned how to do a palm flip from a wall spin. And to be able to do this, you're going to want a nice flat wall, either inside or outside with a mat or grass. I did it for the first time on grass, whatever works best. So as the wall spin is a prerequisite for this, go ahead and practice doing some wall spins. Just don't think about anything else, just do some wall spins. So now that you've done a few wall spins, the next part is to push off the wall as you're coming around on that wall spin. So you'll do the wall spin, and as you're coming around, you push off. So that should feel a little bit weird, but it shouldn't be too uncomfortable. And then what you're going to want to do is slightly angle your hands. Instead of horizontally, you want to go slightly more up, so that as you're coming round, you push off. It's going to start feeling a little bit more different. The rotation's going to start to change a bit. And once you've tried that, you're going to want to try and push off even earlier. So as you're coming up to the wall, you're thinking about doing the wall spin, you put your hands on the wall, and as you're lifting off, you want to push off. So do the wall spin and push off. This will feel different to the wall spin, but this is like the beginning of where you can start doing almost a flip over your head. So you're going to place your hands like this. Now this is the part where you have to progress at your own rate, going horizontally and slowly turning your hands to the point of it being almost at a point where you're doing a flip at an angle, but slightly more vertical. This might feel a bit strange and it's almost its own flip, but it's almost the point of where you can call it a palm flip. Now this is the hard part. You're gonna have to start thinking of it as a palm flip. So you're coming up to the wall and you want to think, I'm gonna do a palm flip, but maybe your hands are slightly turned. That's okay, because if you get yourself in that mindset, you're gonna push off early. So things are getting a little bit weird now. So you're almost at the point of doing a palm flip, but it's also very strange and you're going completely off axis. But all you have to do is face the wall, keep doing what you're doing, but keep moving your hands closer and closer to being vertical, and you're no longer treating it like a wall spin. And remember, as you're doing these attempts with these weird wall spins, you want to push off as soon as you get to the wall, so then you're almost flipping completely off axis. If you're finding staring at the wall head on a bit spooky, that's alright, because what I did when I was a bit like scared of committing to like almost a palm flip is coming at it like I would like a wall spin, which is kind of like at an angle, feet not together, feet apart, and kind of coming at it at an angle and pushing off like this. Just like so. And you can almost call that a palm flip if it was like this. So that can help if you're finding standing at the wall difficult, but as you get more confident doing that variation, you're going to want to come at it facing the wall. This will make it so much easier, so much more power. Use both your feet and you can come at the wall straight on, hands apart, and as you push off, that's initiating the backflip, which will be pretty much straight on. Okay, so the next part is to transition to a palm flip. So this is the hard part. It is your mindset, but you can literally use baby steps, and just if you're too scared to go full on, head on at the wall, revert back to doing it sideways. Even if you're scared, take another step back, start doing wall spins, start pushing off the wall as you do your wall spins, and progress up to the point of where you were last scared. So you can use this method for almost any type of flip. It's just breaking it down, the very basics of that move, up to the point of actually doing the real thing. Okay, it is time. Palm flip. You're looking at the wall and you're basically thinking, oh, I'm just doing a wall spin and pushing off. But now we're at the stage where we can start to think about it as an actual palm flip, which is going over your head completely vertically and landing safely. And once you do this a few times, you'll realize that it's actually pretty easy. It's quite hard to mess this move up. And since you have progressed it from doing wall spins, you'll feel that, hey, if I get scared, I can just revert back to a step and progress from there. And you will eventually feel, okay, I've done it almost to the point of doing it vertically, I might as well do the real thing. Palm flip. So we're no longer coming at it like a wall spin like this, facing the wall directly, shoulders apart, about shoulder width, like a calm. Come up to the wall, 2 feet, jump, shoulder width, about shoulder height, and push off. And it'll feel almost exactly like what you did before, but you'll just go straight over your head, and it's as easy as that. I know, I was like, wow. So that was my method using wall spins to do palm flips. I hope it worked out for you. It worked out very well for me. It helped me get over my fear of doing proper palm flips because it's like a nice progression that you can use. If this helped or if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, maybe share. So leave a comment down below if that helped you, help out the video, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.